Gonna be working on another mod for the KTM 390. Just got the package today. Ordered it yesterday, pretty quick shipping. We're gonna work on getting rid of this thing. Gonna do a quick little tail tatty on it. Step one.
You gotta get these two up. That's what's holding it in.
That's how I was finding the right. I was like, yeah. Well, he'll sometimes purposely drive next to me just to use my way.
Gotta zoom out your face. Oh shit, oh shit.